Hello, my student. Peace and good. Today we will learn. Let's review explicit information in oral text that you listen to in English in specific communicating situations with the toys. Recuperemos información explícita en los textos orales que se escuchan en inglés en situaciones comunicativas específicas con los juguetes. Performance indicator. Retrieve explicit information in oral text that you listen to in English in specific communicative situations with the toys through image analysis. En el indicador de desempeño vamos a recuperar información explícita en los textos orales que se escuchen en inglés en situaciones comunicativas específicas con los juguetes a través del análisis de imágenes. Desarrollo de la Evaluación Internacional de la Universidad de Cambridge 2020, fase 1. Press Start A1. Listening from 22nd to 26 June.
Part 4. Look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example.
There's a lot of fruit in this picture. Is it a shop?
Yes, it is. Can you see the pineapple on the clock?
The pineapple on the clock? Oh, yes. Can I color it yellow, please?
Yes, you can.
Can you see the yellow pineapple? This is an example. Now you listen and colour. 1.
Can you color the pineapple in the box now?
The pineapple in the box?
That's right. Color it green, please.
Okay. I love that color. There.
Now, find the pineapple under the lemons.
Under the lemons?
Yes. Color that pineapple purple.
Okay. I'm doing that now.
Fantastic. Thank you.
Three.
There's a picture of a pineapple on the computer, too. Look.
On the computer? Oh, yes.
Can I color that pineapple orange?
Yes, you can. That's great.
Four.
And I know. Can you see the pineapple between the two watermelons?
The one between the watermelons? Yes, I can.
Good. Color that pineapple blue.
Okay, that's funny.
Five.
And can you color this pineapple now?
Which pineapple? The one on the board?
Yes, the pineapple on the board. Color it red.
Okay, I'm coloring that one now.
Very good. Thanks.
Thank you, my students. See you the next class. Peace and good. God bless you. Bye-bye.